Welcome to my new blog series, which is related to the MS SQL Server. I just named it the MS SQL DOS. So in this blog series, I'm going to give you lots of information about the SQL Server and its related variables. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview about our roadmap, like how we are going to take this journey and of Microsoft SQL Server. So here it is. So in this blog series, first of all, you will learn about the basics of the database, like what is database, what kind of databases are there, what are the various database types, what kind of data is actually stored in the databases, and things like that. Then we are going to discuss about like how Microsoft SQL Server is related to the term databases, or you may actually say like how is it related to the concept of the databases. We will learn about that. So after that, we will go for like how we can write good queries in Microsoft SQL Server, like what kind of what is actually SQL query writing skill. In this, we will actually discuss about various uh, statements of the SQL, like select statement, update statement, delete statements, how these various CRUD operations are actually performed, and how we can write SQL stored procedures, how can we write views, what kind of user definition functions are there, and things like that. So we will, it will contain lots of information which will be related to the queries. After that, we will move towards like how the administration of MS SQL Server database is administrated or conducted, like how we can actually assign various roles and how we can actually grant permissions to various users that are going to play with the Microsoft Server SQL database, how we can do migrations and things like that. Then after that, I'm going to tell you about the data warehouses. How can we can actually go for like building a database, data warehouse in Microsoft SQL Server. And in this, we will actually discuss about the SQL Server integration services in this, right? And after that, on the top of the data warehouse, how can we build analytics using the data warehouse, which is actually built in SQL Server. So we will learn about the SSAS in these topics, under these topics. And after that, how we can actually report the data using the Power BI. So this is the roadmap. It's quite a lengthy roadmap, I know, but gradually we will nail down each and every bit of it. So you need to in order to get this information as much as you would like to have, you need to see my blog post.